Going to introduce you the hub. So the hub of RVE is a monitor EVEMS compatible with all charging solutions. Will monitor and analyze all type of loads at the building level, and the main goal here is to provide a reliable solution for multi-family buildings. Whether it's a small building or a large building, doesn't matter. The first thing is always to know what's the power consumption, what are the loads available, and from that, it's easier to deploy new infrastructure. First and foremost, every critical decisions are done locally, meaning that if the network goes down, there's no safety risk, and we'll make sure that we control and stop charging if there's ever any communication problem. We will maximize dynamically the charging, so knowing which car receive how many amounts of energy, and based on the building's level energy available, we can choose who to charge first. The hub enables to monitor up to 7 feeders or 15 CTs with flexible Rogowski CTs or split core CTs. It can control up to 120 DCC plus and up to 30 SMP plus. When you order a hub, it comes with factory setting for all the safety requirements to go through certification. We provide you with the hard-coded settings so nobody can change them. We have a local display available on the unit that enables you to track down the 12-month peak of your building's different feeders. So that's the data that you can use to do EPR, electrical planning report, for example, according to code, where you have 12 months of data available locally on the unit and also available on our portal. Speaking of portal, the hub comes with a few features in regards to energy monitoring and consumption. The intent being to provide transparency of data and to provide accuracy of what's the available power within a building if there's no EV, and how can we plan to electrify when we'll have 100% EV, for example. Good news, the hub is really flexible, so we'll work on 3-phase systems, 600 volt, 40 volts. We'll work for 208 3-phase and single-phase systems. In order to kind of show you what would be a typical scenario of installation, we have right here a typical townhome or row homes 40-unit building where the main feed is a 120 volt main service, and then we have 3 single-phase sub-feeders that are feeding the meters going to each unit. We include all the CTs with our units, so we have from 100 amp to 5,000 amp flexible Rogowski CTs that are included with 25 meters of rope. It's also possible to request for extra length, so up to 50 meters of rope, but in most cases, 25 meter is more than enough. Important to note that the hub is only compatible with RVE CTs, the reason being that we calibrate everything at the factory